The next phase that we're entering now is you're still like inspecting the code, you're still editing it and collaborating with those agents, but you're not the one who's originating or structuring all of those pieces of code individually. That change, I think, is here to stay. What I think needs to happen now, though, is just to meet the scale of changes that agents are able to produce, we need to just better focus our efforts as reviewers, because otherwise, what we hear from some teams is that given all their engineers, things like Claude Code or CodeGen or Cursor, and now they just have this mountain of PRs that they're getting buried under. And half the time, the engineers who created the prompt might not have thoroughly read the code. It just requires so much more attention and cognitive load on the review side. A lot of what we're doing with Diamond, our review agent, is we want to take off some of that cognitive load, much in the same way that AI has let us work at a different level of abstraction on creating the code. I think you can do the exact same thing for review, where you shouldn't have to focus as much of your time on reading small logic errors, all the like nits and style inconsistencies that are so common in code review. The review should really be focused on more of the high level concepts of, is this functionality implemented correctly? Is this architected well? More of those high level senior engineer or product questions, more so than like the nitty gritty of individual lines of code.